Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Sorry about the wind noise, but it is what it is. This is the top of the mobile craft cart and table, whatever I'm calling it, I don't know. And I put one of these on there to hold my pens and stuff. And I've got these. These were on another table, and I made these, gosh, 20 years ago. I hated to throw them away, but they were one piece, so I cut them in half. And these will hold my screwdrivers, and these will be something like that, and then coming on a corner or something. Then I'll have this big space back here, and why I rounded the edges, I thought that looked good to match these. And I'll have screws in there with tools hanging on that. And this is a little thing I made. I just dropped my X-Acto knife because I lost my blade guard for it. I just have it over here, and whenever I lift, everything will pretty well stay in place. And I've still got to put the cabinet doors on. I've got to put the inside shelf for the little cubby hole that's up under this. I've got to attach this. I had a little problem the other day. I was moving it, and I put one screw and glued my casters, and the screw broke, and I had a blowout. So I had to jack it up and get all that, and then I had to run to the hardware store to get some screws because I needed some larger screws, and I just didn't have any. I said, well, I'm jacking up, doing all that, I'm going to go ahead and make the repair permanent, and that I did. And I need to get some more screws for the hinges, and I'm pretty well home for the time being because I don't want to venture out anymore. But this is a different wood. I had this stuff here left over from other jobs, and this one I just happened to find it, and I said, man, that'd be nice. Then I want to go up a little bit higher, and that way I can have this area. I've got plenty of duplicate tools. I can put them up here and have me a nice little work area. It's just I've got to get me a piece of linoleum or something to put on here, and I'll figure something out when that time comes. I'm not too worried about that right yet. But that's where we're at on the mobile craft table today. And it wasn't a whole lot. The wheel, that just had me spinning my tires literally for a little while till I got it repaired. And once I get the doors on, I'll come back and show you how all that looks, because I'll complete the whole face and the little cubby hole on the inside, and I'll have all that completed. And I've got over on this side, let me see if I can get over here. You can see where I'm starting to make my little shelves on the outside to hold my paint cans and paint. And I've got the screw in the bottom, but I've got to empty the inside out. And I'm just not feeling it today. And I will try it again tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.